Here we are with the demonstrator 47XL Blue Baron, and it's almost done. And then we had another order that came in from Southern Florida for a compact 45 that's coming along. They all have the aviation style vernier controlled throttles, really nice. And this one here is been fully tested and be delivered tomorrow on Saturday to be installed in a trailer. And he wanted me to hold off on the sticker. It should say Blue Baron Compact 36, and he decided, well, can you just put Blue Baron? I don't know, he's being particular, but that's okay, because that's what it's all about. If he wanted this pink, he'd get pink, green, so on and so on. So far we've done black, well, of course the standard blue, black, yellow, orange, and red. So we've done quite a few different colors. If you wanted it pink, I wouldn't really care. I just want to make the customer happy. So this is a beautifully built machine, as you can see. There's plenty of room in there to work. If you ever had to do a belt change out all the way around. Compact 36 right here. Tested really nice. And this compact 45 has a 27 horse Kohler, and it's going to have a 45 size blower, which is a 4MR in Suterbilt. And I should be done within a week on this unit. Our demo will be going on the Baron slider and will be part of the show and part of what we do with the maintenance rollout bed. This is going to be a good demonstration of the use and versatility of this Baron bed once this big monster of truck mount gets on there, and it'll be inside our van. So that's what we got here.